Locked out of your Fortnite, Rocket League, or other Epic Games adventures? Don't panic, we're about to show you how to recover your Epic Games email and password. First, head over to the Epic Games website and click Sign In at the top right corner. From there select Forgot Password. Now, this is where it gets tricky. If you've forgotten your email, try entering any email addresses you might have used when creating your account. Even old ones, check your inbox for each of them. Look for an email from Epic Games with the subject Password Reset. If you find one, great. Follow the instructions within the email to reset your password. If you don't find it, move on to the next step. If you're still stuck, the best option is to contact Epic Games Support. Go to the Epic Games website and find the Help or Support section. Then click on Contact Us. You'll need to fill out a form providing as much information as possible about your account, like your display name, date of birth, any games you own, and when you created the account. Be as detailed as you can. Epic Games Support will then guide you through the account recovery process. It might take a little time, but with the right information, you'll be back in the game in no time. Good luck, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tips.